Right, I think we're ready for the lintel. Shame it's wrong way round, like, innit?
Yeah.
Oh. We'll have to slide it out and in and round, huh?
Slide it in and around.
Yeah. We're going for that middle bit there.
Yeah, put it up on here.
Oh my god.
You're gonna have to go this way.
Oh my god.
Why won't you turn or
Why wait turn, cause we're idiots who's put it on wrong way round.
Do you wanna try and get past me?
Well, what end do you want me to go
Because
to?
I need to get round that side.
No, you just walk backwards with that and I'll slide that.
Alrighty then, I'm just thinking for that wall.
Do you wanna get it middle, Josh?
Oh, you're squashing me here. Nearly breaking my family jewels.
Nowhere near you here.
Paul.
Right, Josh. Come here, mate. You get it middle. In fact, you're gonna have to crawl under it, aren't you? Right, let Josh skimmy under it. Watch your head. Yeah. To you a little bit more, Tim. Yeah, I reckon I'm good here. Yeah, should be alright. You're putting it on that pole. Ah. They're not light at all, are these?
Not this one, no.
Right, I think.
Don't push me that way.
Well, I'm waiting for you.
Right, I've got to get my feet first.
Hurry up then.
There's stones behind me.
So when?
When?
Right, don't fall through. You ready? You ready? Bloody hell. Yeah. 150 bang on. What you got? 170. So we'll go next. We'll go 10 mil my way and that'll be 160 each side, yeah? Yep, I'll do. Are we level though? Where is level?
Bang low.
Don't say that. Yeah, we are. Just knock it down a little bit, get rid of this big bed, yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah, I reckon I can go a smidge more at my end.
Well, you're at that end and it's knocking this out anyway.
Yeah, but it's good. Yeah, that's better that.
Yeah?
Yeah, try it back. Rocking on that. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, super duper. The last lintel on the floor, and it's the wrong way around.
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Which one is a block there?
I'll go back that way then, eh? You alright?
Yeah, it's that block there.
Just go under it and get it other side for now if you want.
I'll be alright, mate.
Yeah?
Yeah, go on. It's resting on my knee anyway, so. Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You might as well get it middle and lift it on wheels, Josh. Are we clear of that stonework down there? We're going to hit it. Yeah?
Well, just trying
I'll wait for you to come round then.
Yeah, go.
Sit it on there and then Josh can get round. So when you're ready, yeah?
Yeah, go.
Just watch that post there, there's a post there, look. You good?
Yes. I don't know where fucking ladders come from,
Might be 150, looks tight at your end. So, what is that?
140.
145. Nearly there, isn't it? 25 mil.
125. More your way. Oh well.
Mine is 150. Ooh,
150 can go this way slightly.
2.5 mil short of 150. What you got now? Yeah, I'm still 150 anyway. You're about right there.
Yeah, it's like 140. 145.
145.
Away, that.
Get a little tap that way. Still there, I don't think it's moving. Oh yeah, that did. Right. 150. 145, yeah, we'll just leave it that, it's fine.
Perfectly level.
It's fine.
Oh.
Yeah.
Perfectly level. Is it level on there?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Lovely jubbly. Right, we're ready for wall plates. We've just got laser set up as well so we can laser it in. Tim's just sorting damp out. Right to end, a bit on end as well, Josh. Right, yeah, Tim will have it.
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just, we got laser, we'll just put laser on
there,
the line.
Yeah.
Down, is it saying? Down, yeah?
Yeah, it's down a bit, like, it's like a mill. Oh, couple of mil.
It's not right there, is it? Right.
Hang on.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's gone off a bit now. It's just starting to lift up, so when it starts going off we'll just put a couple of nails in to hold it down. Just bobbing straps on. pretty damn long, but it's only ones that I could get on, but better to have them longer anyway, innit? So we're on this side now. This is the old wall plate. There, look, and you level it through. Hang on a second. Level it through, look, and then it adds up as a double wall plate on this side. It fits perfecto. So we're just going to put a double one on this side, double one on that side, and then that's just because that's a lower roof there. That's just a single on there. So let's get this sorted. Yes. Yeah, it's good. So we're just looking down and see where bends are.
It's that way on it. It is now.
No, it's bent. So we'll look the other way.
Oh, it's crazy.
Yeah. That way. So you want it going, you better be umping that way than umping down, otherwise your corners will come up. But if you get rid of that and then you nail your middle, usually alright. That's the way I do it. I don't think it matters with these though, because they're that long. Once you tap them down, they just bend right anyway. Do you want to get level on? Laser level?
Yes. Where is laser?
I don't want to tap it down too much because I think this one a bit
What is it up?
big bed on this side, I think. Well, bigger than the other side.
I'll go check it then. Shut up.
You got it. We're here on it. Oh yeah. You got it right way up this time.
Yeah.
What's it say? Down.
Down.
Yeah.
Aye. Oh, hang on. Smidge more. Right, just a touch. Yeah, look. There.
Yeah.
There.
Well, we managed to get one up without a crane, so it was hard work, but I think we're just going to go with this plan and get them up. So that's it. If you want to see these go on the roof, then make sure you subscribe, and we'll get them all on. Right, see you in the next one. See you later.